See? Regular. It's not interlocked. It's the regular. Oh, right there. Ah. Okay. And this one's interlocked. See? Look. Interlocked. I'm not going nowhere now. See? And then
Alright, I ain't planning on it, but I guess I might as well record my, Really? As soon as I start talking, you gotta bark? Figured I'd record my lock journey. This is 6 months growth of hair. This is about 1 week of twists with, I had those, crochet locks done, where you kind of crochet the twist. Well, I did it myself. My girl did the twist and I just kind of crocheted them to try to get them to lock up. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at all this frizz now because I am a personal trainer and I exercise and sweat every day. And today I plan on cutting the lawn. So after work, really? My dog's not approving all the activity out here. It's raining. It's Florida. It's about to stop raining, so I'm about to edge the lawn. And after doing the lawn, I'm gonna have to take a shower, wash my hair, and hopefully I can keep all of these in. And my hair is a little dry right now, so I'm looking forward to spraying some coconut oil in there and get it looking right. But I'm at the ugly stage right now. Trying to get it longer, trying to get it right. Let's see what I can do with this. I dig it though, but that crochet method really gets it to start to bud sooner and get knotted, so hopefully it'll withstand this shower I'm gonna do after I cut the grass. So this is how the hair looks after a shower. I'm gonna actually go back in, twist these, that way. Twist these, get the water out of it, and then kind of dab them dry. And kind of let them air dry. I was planning on getting on my motorcycle and putting the do-rag on to air dry these, but today got later than expected, so let's see what I do. I don't want to get under the hair dryer. I wanted to air dry these, but it's getting late, so keep you posted on what I actually do. We used to lock it up to actually twist up the hair to create the coils. That's what it looks like inside, and smells pretty good. So this is what we chose to use. Very little bit on the tip of the finger. Use a rat tail comb for that, and for the crocheting, use that. Show you the tip of it. It's small, but it's not as small as the 0.6, so it doesn't quite snag your finger. And use the castor oil in the growing process. Used about 3/4 of the bottle. Whoop. Now I have, during my 6 months of growth, I used this stuff. Not sure how effective it was in actually making the hair grow, but I used about 3/4 of it, and the last quarter of the bottle I threw some distilled water in here. Mix it up, so I'll use this in a spritz, my little spritz bottle later on. That'll be another version of kind of oil and water mix, but for the dry scalp, gonna be using the coconut. And when I took the shower, this is what I used: Palmer's coconut shampoo and conditioner. So use that, got the hair smelling great. So the hair is fully dry now. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of that coconut oil in there. Spray some of that in there. Keep it from getting dried, and throw a do-rag on to go to sleep. And then I'll be updating with sunlight in the morning. Angles. So that's what we're looking like. That's what we're looking like. So it's the next morning after waking up. Everything's kind of laid down, so I picked it up and twisted it a little bit. I'm always playing in my hair. I can't have it look too wrecked. I gotta mess with it. So I sprayed the coconut oil. It's a little moist right now. I just got out a morning shower, so the hair is damp. I sprayed it with the coconut oil, and I like what's going on. And I'm about to go air dry it. I talked about riding a motorcycle before, and instead of riding a big bike, I figured I'll just take a cruise around the neighborhood on the little bike, kind of air dry this thing out. What y'all think? You know, kind of angles there. Give me some feedback. This is all brand new to me. I'm sure like a many of y'all, but sticking with it. Let's go make this thing fly in the wind. It's a nice sunny day, so while the boys cut the backyard, I'm gonna go air dry my hair on this thing. I think this be a good way to go air dry the hair. See if we get some movement out of the wind. So I think a good drying speed is about between 20 and 25 miles an hour. After about 25 miles an hour, your hair starts to stick up. So hope that helps you on your log journey. Yes, I'm looking at my hair. Do you like my hair, Skylar? You love it? You love the natural look? Oh yeah, you like my hair better? Yeah. I like it. See? It's my little angel. I love you. So overall, after a wash, the hair held up pretty well. But again, some of these are actually like interlocked. I think that might be one. This one. Yeah, this one might be interlocked. Like some of them aren't just twisted. Oh, I'm not even on cue. Alright, some of these are actually interlocked. Like some of these are actually put through, and so that kept it from falling out when I washed it, and some of them are not. I'm actually going for the unique look. Each lock is individual, man. I'm just kind of just doing whatever. I'm really not too specific about it. I just need it to look together and just uniform size, but for the most part some locks are going to be tighter in certain places, and you know, all that stuff I don't really care about. So I made sure certain ones just don't unravel by using this tool to kind of crochet it, keep it nice and together. And again, I don't want them too thin, so the goal here is to just keep them together and not falling out, and lock it up. So let me know what you think. Give me some feedback. That's after my first wash. Only a week of being twisted, and the crochet method really helped keep all of that together. I'm digging it. Let me show you the crochet method. This section right here is interlocked, as you can see. Can you see that little hole right there, Skylar?
Yeah.
In the hair, cool. That's interlocked. That means the hair's been kind of put through. The one next to it right here, this one has not been interlocked. This one has just been twisted. And then I used the crochet. I used 1 millimeter because it doesn't poke my finger. And I really couldn't find the smaller one, the 0.6. So I'm dealing with this. You can get this at Walmart. Go back and forth, twist it a little bit, just kind of get the hair in and out of the lock. Can you kind of see what's going on, Skylar?
Yeah.
Cool. So we're going back and forth. Excellent. The goal is just try to get that curl to not unravel, and it gets thinner and thinner, and once you let it go somewhat, knot it up. See how that knots up?
Yeah.
Cool. Excellent. So that's the whole crochet method. You do that to these locks and it keeps them from falling out, and hook them up when you feel like it.
Don't let me drown. Don't let me try.